Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Bafethu sokuresurface ke ama-tweet kaJacinta Ngobese Zuma aka-Twitter ke ku-X bonakala kungaka 2019 apho ethetha nje khona izinto eziyi-distasteful ezinganambitheki nje ncam regarding abantu bokufika na regarding abantu baseLimpopo. Nizakhumbula ke nge-30 kaMarch 2026 ngokwakhona lamajayile kuGompo eEast London kwaba khona ingoma eyaculwa pha. La ngoma yafuna nje ukuvusa nje igqushe kusilo papapeni kusilwa noNgizwe apho malunga nalanto leyana. Bathe apho bevana khona few days ago ndithi ndeqi nevideo yabo apho sebevana khona begida bejiva ndawonye azange itrend as much as lanto bebelagqushe belisenzeka. The point I'm trying to get across into yoba ndicela singavumi ukuba divided right now. Singayivumi nje distraction. We've got bigger battles to fight. We cannot afford into yoba sibe sizalwa sodwa right now. And andizuyicondona and ndimthethelela uJacinta based on what she did or what she said kulama tweets lawana. She herself acknowledges the fact that those were dumb and stupid. She herself says that uxolisile bafethu. Ndicela into yoba right now sifocuseni kule esijongene nayo. We are very much aware into yoba xa ubhizi usilwa nento ongathi ulwa nazo, which ezinye are in the best interest of ama South Africans, bahamba bayogubhurula izinto ezingadenta nje reputation yenu. Because right now you can already wonder into yoba xa ngathiwa hayi sokuvela into ezithile ngoGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wethu sokumele into yoba sithene our back on him. Siyilindele into efana nale into yoba kuzavele kugubhurulwe nje into endabanyalana othile then kuvezwe lonto bafuna ukuyisebenzisa against yena. Size singavumi South Africans. Asisazudlalwa ngabo ngoku sila asizuyivuma nje into yoba sizabe sidlalwa ngaba bantu abafuna ukusi-divide. I-division, we're not going to conquer anything nge-division. So whatever she did, she's saying that she was dumb and stupid. Wayesesengumntana ngoko yonke lonto. I'm not even going ukuba ndinixelele ofa ndizifake apho into yoba zeziphi ezotwitter kazithethile, but nje asizuvuma ukuqhekeka right now. We are one. We've got bigger battles to fight. Even nangoku kukubhizi kubona le reputation engadeka into eka National Commission of Finance Masebele kungenzeka into yoba identeke ithini. We are waiting because sifuna ukuyazi into yoba could it be that ikhona indima akayidlalile? Is there a role that yena akayidlalile ekuthi ukhethe afumane la tender 360 million okanye ayikho? Because he himself says he is innocent. If akuna signature yakhe pha, if akuna approval yakhe pha, chances are the only thing he may need to account for into yoba nje lento yenzeke under his watch. Asikwazi into yoba sibe ngamaphixiphici sithi umuntu okanye umuntu beke support umuntu owenza right by South Africans, umuntu beke besimsupport net xa kuqala kuvela something sesiyazibhebhetha sesiyazithini. Abafethu asijiki into sizimisele ngayo asijiki. And just in closing, we as South Africans as well, along with uJacinta, we are sorry whatever tweets wayezibhalile pha. Indeed, they are distasteful. So we are.
I've been saying for a while now that Jacinta Ngobese has an issue and a problem with Tsonga and Venda people, and some other people were saying this is not true, and obviously I saw it as being true because she sang that song Shanga Nsuke Ndleleni, and people were saying no, I'm a Shangana from Mozambique, Tsonga people are from South Africa. I was like, she knows exactly what she's saying. She knows exactly what she's saying. So I don't know why people were defending her. They were saying, nah, she likes all people. She doesn't discriminate. Amashangane, they're not from, South Africa and all of that. And there's not much difference if you can check. If a person is saying Ishangane, it means both Tsonga and Shangane. Like, that's the whole thing. So anyways, the latest one is that Jacinta just exposed herself, saying exactly how she feels about Tsonga and Venda people. So in a tweet right here, she says that which language sounds like a punishment must be either Venda or Tsonga. And this is not the only screenshot, there are many more. And in another one, she said Limpopo girls need to carry their IDs around when in Jozi. Couldn't resist. Also this one, she says, na like KZN bakhona abamnyama, ayingeke, but who knows, maybe might be from Limpopo, Bamnyama, Abantu, that side. Yeah, it's not looking good. Limpopo girls vote for Mugabe. And she also said that in Limpopo, some of the gogos don't celebrate Halloween because they see it every day. Quack. But the one group of people that she actually showed love to are the people from Nigeria, because she said, I need more Nigerian friends. So some people are even speculating that she might be a heartbroken Jolofina. Who really knows at this point? Plenty more of those screenshots. I mean, at this point, it's a proven fact. She doesn't really like Tsongas and Vendors. In fact, Limpopians, the whole province. So yeah, this is the kind of thing that we're experiencing. That's why even recently, there was a KZN situation whereby a person was assaulted, and then they thought he was an illegal immigrant, only to find out that this person is Pedi from Limpopo. So, can you see, like, Abu Jacinta, man? Like, that's why, as a person, I cannot support a person like this who hates her own people, because this is not really about illegal immigrants, right? Obviously, she's being tribalist, straight up, and we've known this. Even that song that she sang the other time that they were defending, here's a song just as a reminder. Yeah, man, xenophobia at the end of the day, as we've been saying for years, it's self-hate. So, like, movements like this, they just proving the point all over again, because Jacinta, her ideals and what she thinks are about her own people. That's what I've been saying for the longest time, that some people, some Zulu people in KZN don't consider Tsonga people to be part of South Africa. They consider them as foreigners. Like, it's been like that, and right now we are seeing it with our own two eyes. So yeah, man, she gets none of my support. Personally, I cannot support her at all. Even if her cause is about illegal immigrants, I cannot support it, because obviously we know her true intention at the end. Her agenda at the end, it will be going after Vendors and Tsongas. Imagine if she were to become president. They've been saying that Jacinta for president, what would be her first thing? Most probably she should boot out Venda and Tsonga people out of South Africa, because she regards them as foreigners. So this person is not the kind of leadership that we need in South Africa. I get her message, but her message has just been crushed by her other ideals of not liking Tsongas and Vendors.
Yo, guys, the chaos still continues, okay? But there are some South Africans that are actually apologizing on her behalf to say, you know what, ne? She was still young by then, and but obviously we all know that people from Limpopo will not stand with that. Like, they will not stand with that. Those that are standing with her, obviously, these are those that are on her side. Yes, obviously they're not affected in any way. They don't see anything wrong. But hey, guys, it's a lot. Now there is a war between South Africans. Instead of South Africans to be sticking together and doing one thing, they're actually divided. Trust me when I say there's nothing that you can achieve when you are divided. Unity is power. The moment people come together and decide on one thing, trust me, they will succeed in whatever that they've decided to go after. But if it's like this, it's a mess. This actually is a mess. There is nothing that will be solved here. I really don't know who went and dug up her past and those old tweets, because it has been said Uguti, they're from 2011. We are in 2026 now. You see, Uguti, the internet does not forget. The internet does not forget. Be very mindful with what you post on social media.